oldest that I have, probably as old as the other two that I've already shown you, about 12 to 15 years old. This is an interesting feature right here. The trunk is actually split into half, and then it has grown wild over the past 2 years. What I mean by the trunk being split in half is that if you look here, that's how thin the trunk actually is, because of it being cracked into half. So originally I intended to plant it like this, like that, showcasing the dead wood feature right here. But it has become neglected over the years. I could still, I think, plant it that way, giving that curving root at the back as kind of like a background or something, but I may have to clean this up. It's fairly healthy given the amount of roots that you can find underneath. There you go. Pretty neglected. This tree is pretty neglected. Okay, so the amount of leaves, trunk and branches I was able to remove is really substantial. So I'm gonna chop this one short and plant them as cuttings, so we can have another set of materials for future bonsai. Okay, so this is how it looks now. So the amount of work I did here, first off, I cut off that very thick, very long and very straight trunk coming from this area. I've kept the root here, the other one I eliminated. This one I kept to help facilitate healing and thickening of this part. In the future maybe we will eliminate it. Another thing that I took would be this section right here. I took it off because we wanted this one to develop as our leader and the new trunk. So we have paper, thick part here, goes straight, there's a little bit of movement here, but there's also taper. We eliminated that one to give way for more movement and taper, and then we cut it off here, and we're gonna keep this branch as the one we will develop. That's gonna be the front. So we have a view of that beautiful dead trunk, dead wood feature of the trunk. We also have a view of this root section right here. Okay, we have that, and then we also have a view of that twisting trunk. So hopefully this would grow. This is a Ficus Triangularis, I think I'm saying it right. I did some heavy root pruning as well, but I'm confident this tree is going to grow, it's going to recover. Okay, I eliminated all the leaves as well, so hopefully by the time I get back from Indonesia in June, this would have filled up from here. There will be some growth I'm expecting from this section, but we're going to remove them anyway, this section also. I'm also hoping for other areas where the tree is going to push for shoots and we can develop branches from there. I repotted it to this shallower container, but a lot wider, so it facilitates more areas or space for the tree to push roots. Okay, so hopefully I'm looking forward to working on this tree again by June.